welcome back, guys, to Mama Joan house where it's hot. I don't know when me say when me say it hot like a Scotch bunny pepper. Today, guys, Thursday, it was Kira's birthday, so today we're doing a little barbecue in the backyard for her birthday, guys, and I'm gonna be doing a little vlogging, you know, and celebrating her birthday with her. Don't ask me how old she is because I definitely don't know her age. Honestly, I don't know, but we're gonna have a little celebration for her birthday. But guys, we're gonna go now like a peep on the color look when I plant, guys. I just plant them color layer. Look on it. I just plant this color like 2 weeks ago. We do a plant my color look. I'm giving a look on the flowers. We see how them coming along. Everybody growing up nicely. It's like we have a forest around here. The way everything growing up nicely from me, you know. So just I giving you a little look for me see how nice the flowers them are flowers and look really nice. Look on them, guys. Look how them look, you know. Yeah, look how the flowers them look nice, guys. Yeah, you know, them really look good. Look on them. Look, touch it. I just plant them. I just plant them, guys. Look how them flower up. And my bushes, like my berry tree, you know, everything really nicely done. So Papa already Papa Ari go take a shave and I get ready for Kira's birthday. You know? Yes.
Get ready.
So we
granddaughter thing. So you know my wife here
we are going to my backyard.
Looks up.
Yes.
Oh, you hot up. Why my people? My wife is so hot.
No, I'm not.
I tell you, I go up on the wall of my face and so I'm on half.
Why your face a bird
Why
up?
your body hot?
Sorry, I joke, you know, guys. Don't do it. You don't do.
I girl, you call one joke. I'm not going to clown to you.
It is more than a clown. Watch it. I never want a clown suit, you know.
Oh, you come to that conclusion.
Anyway, guys, we go and show the little flowers and we're going to see how them look, yeah? You know, we're going to see how them look. You know, Papa Ari don't have nothing for hurt him, you know. So me nice Chinese head pot, you know. And then this is my potato, my Irish potato when I plant. This one bursts out. This one no burst out because I just planted this a couple of days ago. This one I planted like 2 weeks now, you know. So just I give you a little sneak peek, and as them grow, you know, me come in and give you guys a look and make on some look. So now, guys, me I'll get the grill together till Kira come, you know. So today she gonna have some barbecue chicken, but me half do it in the oven and then I'll put it on the grill and some burger and some hot dog, you know, and celebrate our birthday. Just a little quiet birthday affair, okay? So when everybody me come back and we get going into it. All right?
Alright, cool. Say no more.
Okay.
We got $100 on the line.
Are you doing an intro?
Wait. Oh.
Oh, hello. Hi. This is my cousin, guys. Remember my cousin?
Yes.
I remember you.
You might know from my cousin.
Oh, let's say, how should you remember her?
Yeah. Okay.
You don't know nothing.
I remember her.
That was just me being jealous. I really almost said, girl, you don't know nothing. Be quiet.
Hi, everybody. This is my cousin. Hi. Hello. I'm actually cousin's best friend. She's my cousin family.
But not cousin?
Not blood.
Not blood cousin?
No.
Boy, you can't take a family side.
Who? Girl, you know better than that. You know better than that. You know me.
And that's
All right, now we got $100 on the line. No, $200 on the line.
200.
200 on the line? All right, we got $200.
Yes, big.
All right, so since you're the team captain, you're talking crazy. What are you saying? What are you saying for your team?
What do you mean, what am I saying for my team? About what we represent?
Yeah, what do you represent?
This is the team. We got S, JJ. Is it just us three?
Yeah.
Alright, just making sure. You know, I have my substitute, but she's not here right now. We have SJJ, that's the name of the team. We
Okay.
represent fairness. We represent fun. And we represent winning. 'Cause that's all we do. That's all we represent.
about that? What do you guys know about that?
You're the team captain over here. What do you represent? Yeah.
We like money.
Ooh! Yeah! What else we like?
I don't know.
and we like to win, so that's it. So this is how the rules gonna go. On 3, we're both gonna be flipping the bottles, as you guys can see. There's gonna be one person versus the other person. So you're gonna be playing against. This is an example. Cyan. This isn't an example. Cyan's gonna be up against Kimaya, right? You guys are gonna be flipping the bottle. Now, once you land, once you flip the bottle and it lands, you move this down.
Okay.
Okay, this is yours. You move it back down. The goal is to get it to the end.
Alright.
Right? So you guys are going this way. We're going this way. This bottle's in the middle, and this is your bottle. You ready?
We're starting now?
We're gonna start on 3. Now, after you go and you land it, the next person has to go.
Okay.
You get it?
Right. Starts in the middle.
It's one flip.
Okay, ready?
One flip. You ready?
Question.
You ready? Yes, go ahead.
Do you have to land it in order to move?
You have to land it in order for it to move. And you cannot move on until it lands.
Right. Alright.
Got it?
Okay.
3. You ready? 2, 1, go! Go! Keep going! Keep going! Oh! No, wrong way side.
Wrong way.
This way, this way, this way. Come on, come on, come on. Oh my God!
We're doing it!
No.
Keep going.
Come.
You might don't focus on what everything else.
Come on, focus on what you're doing.
Come.
Come on, flip it.
Come.
You're not paying attention.
Nah, it's okay. Let's go. Little lighter. Don't worry about them. Little lighter.
You got it.
Don't let
Oh my God.
it.
Let's go, Millie, go. Yeah. Go.
Focus.
Yeah, Millie, move the bottle.
Focus. You got it.
Watch mine.
They suck.
Oh!
They're trash.
Yeah, he was like, keep. Oh, go, Millie, go.
They're trash.
Oh, let's go. Go, Kimaya, it's you next. You're again. You're up again.
This is your moment.
Let's go. Ooh.
Brown sugar.
Oh
gosh.
You got it. Come on.
You got it, Janelle.
Don't worry about Janelle, Kimaya.
You got it.
Let's go.
Janelle.
Yeah. Go, Millie.
You gotta get this way. Pull it. Full rotation.
Let's go.
Almost.
Yeah.
Almost. You got it. Get this.
Go.
Janelle, get this. Janelle, you have to get this now.
Let's go. Stop playing with us. Stop playing with us. Let's go.
We got too excited in the beginning.
Like we said, you guys.
So guys, look on the food where we have burger, hot dog, chicken, barbecue chicken. Chicken and barbecue chicken is the same chicken. Good up here now. Around the grill a little bit. Take over a little bit from Mama Jones. So me and her share the grill, you know?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, we got
As we say guys, Akira and the guys them have them gear and then you really can make nice. Well guys, it's like 3 o'clock in the morning. My granddaughter is still here, you know, cleaning up. But it's, you know, it's her birthday. It's her birthday. Everybody gone. And it's just me and her here. And she's tidying up with me. You understand me? So guys, we kind of come to the end of the video. I'm sorry I didn't get to show them anymore. We didn't even get her a cake because she said she didn't want no cake.
We sang happy birthday, but
But
you were
they
sleeping.
they sing happy birthday, but I was napping. I was sleeping outside there, you know. So guys, anyway, we come to the end of the video. Like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell so you guys don't miss a post when I post. And I will see you in the next one. This is my beautiful granddaughter, and it was her birthday. So bye guys.
Bye.